concentration. We have 300 milliosmoles, and that is the concentration of blood. And 300 milliosmoles is filtered. Now 60 to 70% is reabsorbed here, but no concentration changes occur. Well, the kidney is set up so that there are concentration gradients. And these concentration gradients allow for us to drag in, or let's just set it up so you can see. So let's say that this here has a concentration of 300. It's the same as blood. The next step would be a concentration of 600. That's the next layer. And then let's go 900. And then after that, let's say that this is 1200. So we're going to max out at 1200 for our nephron and our concentration gradient changes. If I have something that's 300 and 300, is there any movement of water? No, it's the same. It's going to be back and forth. So there's no change in concentration. What about if I have something that starts off at 300? 300 versus 600. What's the difference? Which one is greater? So which one is concentrated? So the 600 is more concentrated than the 300. So where does water want to move? Water wants to move from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high. So water will start to move outward into the kidney, or back into the body. What happens to the concentration inside? Well, it starts to eventually match the concentration outside. Okay, now 600 moves into the next layer. And where does water want to move? The higher concentration was 900, so water wants to move out. Well, what happens to the concentration inside the nephron? It gets closer and closer to 900 until eventually it's the same. 900, 900, inside, outside, equal. Now we start again, 900, and water starts to move out. The concentration inside the nephron tubule becomes 1200, right? And to a point that maybe as we're returning back up to the portion that water does not escape, I get to 900 again. This is just to show you what's going on. 1200 versus 900, right? The 1200 water will start to drag in. So H2O will go in because the concentration gradient is different. So the inside and outside will match continuously. That's because it is permeable to water and water can escape or it can re-enter back into the